Today I'm making a creamy chicken bake. First I'm going to do some prep work. So on a cutting board I have 2 heads of garlic. I'm going to peel off 1 to 2 layers of the skin. Next I'm going to cut the top of each garlic head so the cloves are exposed. Next I have each garlic head on a piece of tin foil. I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil on each one and a sprinkle of salt, and then wrap up the garlic heads in the aluminum foil and bake this at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Once the garlic is done and cooled, I'm going to squeeze it into a bowl and mix it up till I have a paste. Next, I'm going to make the topping for the bake. So in a bowl, I'm going to add 1 package of this Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuit mix. Then I'm just following the directions on the back of the package, so I'm adding some shredded cheddar cheese and water. Mix that up until it's combined and then put it to the side for later. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to add 1 block of softened cream cheese. Then I'm going to add this softened Boursin garlic and herb. Next, I'm going to add the roasted garlic that I made earlier. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of finely shredded Parmesan cheese and mix this up until it's combined. Next, I'm going to add 4 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Mix it until the chicken is coated in the creamy mixture. Next, I have a greased 9x13 pan. I'm going to add the chicken mixture into the pan and spread that out. Then I'm going to add the biscuit mixture on top and spread that out, and then bake this at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Once it was done in the oven, I took the seasoning mixture from the Red Lobster biscuits and mixed it up with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to brush it on top of the bake. Here's a slice of the creamy chicken bake.